Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video, we're going to take a look at this app, which is called the Google Play. When you sign in with your Google account, you cannot use this app with a PC. You can use it for a phone, for a tablet, for a TV, for a Chromebook, for watch, or for car. But if you're using Android phone, so you can use this app and you can install everything for your phone. You can install WhatsApp Messenger, Facebook, ChatGPT, Facebook Lite, YouTube, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and Google Maps, Google Photos. To access this app, we need to click here, and as you can see, we are inside this app. To access this app, let me go to this new tab, and first we need to sign in with your account and click on Google Apps, and you can find it right here next to this calendar. When you click at this app, it's going to open this app right here, which you can use it for the phone, as I said, tablets, TV, Chromebook, or watch. And up here we have the games. If I click on the games, it's going to show you all the apps for the games, and you can scroll down to see all the games if you want to download it. And if I click on the apps only, I can see all the apps. And if I click next to the apps, which is kids only, I can see all the apps which is for the kids, which teacher approved apps and games. If you click on the apps, if you want to change from phone to tablet, if you own any Android tablet and you want to install any app to your tablet, then you can click here. For a TV, for the Chromebook, for watch. And if I click here, you can manage your Google account from here. You can see the library and devices, payment and subscriptions, and my plan activity. You can see the offers. You can see play, pause. You can click on family, personalization in play. You can click on settings, and you can switch account and you can sign out. If I click on the settings, what you can get with the settings, the email preferences and verification preferences, which require verification for purchase an app installed through playcall.com. Some of these apps which is available inside Google Play is completely free, but for some of the apps you need to pay. It's not free. Like ChatGPT, is free to install that, but when I'm going to install this app, you need to purchase that subscription on monthly basis. Not only ChatGPT, there is a lot of apps available which you can install, but after installing that app, you cannot use it because you need to pay for subscription. And be careful to see one more thing when you install the app, to see the ratings and review and comments. Here you need to see all the comments for the app. Then you can install the app when you satisfy about this app, and you can just click on install it to your device. So this is how we can use this Google Play app. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.